In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a bundle on Vinted. Start by opening your browser and heading to vinted.com. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but I'll walk through the website so everything is easy to see. Once the homepage loads, look for the search bar at the top. Type in what you're after, maybe a brand, a style, or a specific item. Use the filters to narrow things down by size, condition, color, and price so you don't waste time scrolling. Filters help you find items that match, which is perfect when you plan to bundle. When you spot something you like, click the listing to open it. Take a moment to check the photos, read the description, and confirm the condition and size. If you're hoping to bundle, glance at the seller's profile section on the page to see if they offer a bundle discount. Many sellers do, and it can automatically reduce the price when you add multiple items from the same seller. Now scroll down the listing page until you see the option to create a bundle. Click Create Bundle. This takes you into the seller's wardrobe where you can browse everything they're selling. Bundles only work with items from the same seller, so staying in this view is important. From here, select the products you want to include and click Add on each one. Add as many as you like, making sure they're the correct size and in the condition you want. If you're shopping across seasons or building outfits, think about complementary pieces to make the most of the bundle pricing. You can remove items later if you change your mind, so don't worry about committing too early. When you're happy with your selection, click Review Bundle. This brings up a summary showing the items you've added, the individual prices, any automatic bundle discount, and the shipping costs. Double check the totals and make sure the delivery option works for you. If something looks off, go back and adjust your selection before proceeding. Finally, click Buy Now to complete the purchase. You'll be prompted to confirm your delivery address and payment method if they're not already saved. Follow the on-screen steps to finalize your order. After your payment is confirmed, Vinted will send you an order confirmation, and you'll be able to track updates from the seller within your account. If anything needs clarification, you can use the built-in messaging on the order page, but otherwise you're all set. That's it. Quick, clear, and cost-effective. Enjoy your new bundle and the savings that come with it.